Let's cheer up as we sing together that hymn.
Shall we forever, flowing by the throne of God? Yes, we gather at the river, the beautiful river.
And we think you are ready to handle the exams. In addition to it, the prayers that we have had today, there is nothing left. These people are very much ready. Parents, just feel relaxed. We are going to excel, and we shall come back here and rejoice together as already prophesied by our Lord Bishop. A big hand clap to our school. We are proud of you. Children, give a very big hand clap to our dear parents. And to the candidates, I urge you to stay calm, focused, disciplined, confident, and know that we already believe in you to excel. Wish you nothing but success. Your predecessors have always excelled, and we believe you are going to even beat the records which are already in place. Can you clap yourselves? We go to confidently assure everyone here that our school is secure. It's well fenced. We have full-time security guards, functional fire extinguishers, solar lights, CCTV cameras, among other security measures. So there is no reason for anyone to worry about the safety of the children and the staff of Marty'S. Another hand clap. And our beloved guests, our menu here is so competitive, not only at local level, our dear Bishop, it is even competitive at global level. We provide here good meals, which actually, when you move to other countries, you will find such as eggs, milk. The other time I heard the Minister of Education emphasizing that schools should be providing eggs, milk. For us, Marty'S, we started in way back, a big hand clap to our dear director students. So we compete at global level in terms of meals. And dear parents, apart from academics, we also emphasize co-curricular activities such as swimming, debate, football, aerobics, among others. This has been made possible because we have enough space and trained teachers for sports. Our Lord Bishop, we have 3 fields. This is one of the schools in this country that can show 3 fields. One is here, another one is right on the top of the hill, the other one is as you are entering. All these fields are here to promote sports, which is in line with the curriculum, in line with what the ministry wants, holistic education. A big hand clap to our dear directors. Values such as good handwriting, spellings, reading, and the mental work. And this is why these children perform very well right from baby class to P7. Here, the result is not only good at P7, we get results right from baby class. P7 is simply a testimony. All these values have greatly contributed towards our academic excellence. And our Lord Bishop, at PLE level, we have continued to shine with 100% Division 1 and many aggregates. And that is a signal that even this year, the same will be there. Children, give yourselves a hand clap.
Glory to
Bishop, you intimated that you have said it earlier that you are here for the first time. But our dear parents understand very well where we have come from. And we want to thank God for the journey, for the success stories, for the dream come true as we prayed earlier. This school started not many years ago in 2016. For the starters, the number was only about to, I think around how many, Madam Director? About 14 children at the opening of the school. At the end of the year, 166, you're reminding me. A few years ago, not more than 8 years. But I want to thank God for the growth of the school. The school has grown. Let's give God another mighty hand clap. Don't get tired of thanking God. The school has grown. Surprisingly, we are realizing more than what we expected. The story of the person of the fisherman who went to catch fish and he couldn't find the fish, but when Jesus appeared, he told them, put back the nets, and he was not even able to remove the nets from the waters. This is what God has done here. As we speak, our Bishop, the enrollment of the school has grown to above 1,350 children. That is above. And that one very good, my Lord Bishop, and dear parents. Children, let's clap to God for the gift of the children. There are now many. In 2017, my Lord Bishop, when we opened the boarding section, we had how many? I think we were about only 3 girls and 2 boys. Only 5 children opening the boarding section. 2017, 2 years before COVID. I think 2-3 years. The girls were sleeping. Some were staying in one of the classroom. The boys, 2 of them, and the girls were sleeping in this big building. By that time, we still had the basement. Only 1 room. 2 boys, 3 girls. The number in the boarding section, my Lord Bishop, has grown. We now have over 600 children in the boarding section. Let's give God another mighty hand clap. The school is growing. Yes. I don't know where we shall be when we shall be celebrating 10 years of existence in 2026. When we shall have another confirmation of this nature. Because the next year is for Catholics. 2025. 2026 we shall do another big one, the mighty one, when we shall be celebrating 10 years of existence. Maybe we shall even have stopped at meeting. Because we shall be full by then. The school has gone in so many dimensions. In terms of land for expansion and development, we started with 3 acres only 3. The school was just stopping at that gate, that upper gate, up to that, only that building was in existence. But as we speak, the school has expanded in terms of land availability. We now have over 10 acres of land on this here. Another mighty hand clap for the gift of land. The school has grown. My Lord Bishop, in terms of infrastructure development, which is very much needed, infrastructure, we only have 1 building, 1 classroom block straight there, which is accommodating around 1,000 children. And by COVID time, enrollment had grown up to 650. A lot of very many rooms were still empty. But after COVID, we got very big blessings. The children came in big numbers. We couldn't even accommodate them in this building. We had to begin construction as we speak. There is another big block of 20, I think it has 22 classrooms just around the parking area, which is the home of the nursery section and the lower primary. So infrastructure has developed very much. You can see straight here. This one we are now roofing. There's another, this one is a 4-story house, you can see. There's another one which is going up. It's also a 4-story block. This is for the boys' dormitory. And then the girls' dormitory where you planted the tree, it's also still going up to 3 levels. Infrastructure has developed very much. We also have other buildings. We can't even know the exact number of buildings in this place. From one, this house straight here behind here is belongs to the school. There are also other houses behind where the non-teaching staff are living. That house straight on the top of the hill, that red tiled house, also belongs to the school. There is a field there up there, a very big one. We are going to commission it very soon. It is like almost the class of Namboy. When you go there, it is as flat as Namboy on top of the hill. My dear, God has done a lot for this place. We also have more land for development and gardening and farming. We have a garden of mango trees, very many of them. Sometimes we harvest so many mangoes, so many avocado. We also rear goats. We have some goats behind there, rabbits. Then we also have other animals the other side. So the school has grown. So I want to thank God for all of this. The director of St. Agnes is telling me to mention the other type of animals, but I am not to do it. They are very far from the other side, in the other land, which is next to Namusugu.
Bishop Enos Kitto Kagodo Lekisa kya Katonda Mulabizi bwa mukono gw'okutaano twagala okwebaza ennyo Mukama olw'olunaku luno olwaleero ate tuzze wano ku Marty'S Nursery and Primary School nga tuzze okunyweza oba okusaako emikono abaana baffe ate n'okusabira abagenda okukola ekibiina ekyomusanvu. Twagala nnyo okwebaza olw'ekisa kya Katonda kyalaze abaana bano ne batandika okusoma okusaka.